everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. And today what I'm working on, well, today is, I think, day 22 of the hashtag YT100 challenge. And what I'm actually working on today is my son's early Christmas gift. And what I'm going to be making is basically I need a painting. So I'm doing a painting with a yellow and black background. And I have put the base on it already. Just want to spread it out a little bit more on the edges. There we go. It's already starting to dry a little, but that's okay. Yep, just want it to go over the edges because I can always doctor up the sides later. This will be a Batman. I am actually wanting this a little bit more yellow than black because I'm going to be doing a silhouette of, I'm not sure which feature of the Batman I'm going to do. I know I will definitely do the logo. However, and I know I'll do Batman, I just don't know what silhouette I'm going to choose. I think I have the one picked out that I want to do. So basically, this is a 16 by 20. It's been taped on the back. The push pins are down there. I did spray my cup with some Master's Touch. And, Blaster Silicone, and there's no silicone actually in the paint. I don't think. There is Floetrol in there, and it's mixed black base paint and yellow Master's Touch, and they're mixed with Floetrol, glue on, and a little silicone. So there is. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna do like a ribbon pour. And I might have to put more yellow, as I said, because I don't think this is going to be enough. Matter of fact, I'm going to just squirt it right down the side here. That way I can control where I want it to go, which is right here. I want more yellow so it doesn't look all like green, if you know what I mean. I want this to be yellow and black. And just sit that there, because I am going to move it around a little. I might even squirt some more yellow here and there, just for that splash of yellow. That's how I want to do it, I think. So, I'm trying to see where else I might want it. Like I said, I want more yellow than black. So I can always add black later. So what I'm going to do now is torch it. As soon as I find my torching tool, my torch. Here we go. Down a little, torch it up a little bit. Oh yeah, I see some bubbles. So we are going to have some cells. I guess that would be alright. Alright. I think that's enough. I'm just going to tip it. See what we end up with, because if I don't like it, I will redo it once it's dry, or I'll scrape it. I haven't decided how I'm going to do it if I don't like it. So let's just tip it this way. Like that. And here. See, I'm not liking the fact there's a lot of green looking because of the yellow and the black. However, I don't think it's going to look too bad. I think that'll be a nice background for what I'm looking for. I want it to be a little zigzaggy, I think. I know you can't see it, I apologize. Let me see if I can turn it around without getting it all over me here. There we go. I don't have a big area. I do fit the 16 by 20 in here, but not much more than that. Actually, I think I like it like this. I think this is really cool. I might try to get a little bit more of that green off of there. But you know what? I don't think I want to take much more off. It's really neat looking, I think. I think what I'm going to do is just get a little bit more of this green off down there, and maybe a little bit more yellow in there. Some more streaks or shoots of yellow, I think. Just get some of that green off, and just shoot a little bit more yellow down there. We should be alright. Because I really like what's going on right here, because you can really see the black and the yellow, and I'm not liking all that green. So maybe what I need to do is get some of that off and shoot black down there without the yellow, and then the yellow separately. So maybe let's just keep going like this and see what we end up with. It might look alright once I get all this off and just get down there to the yellow and the black. Let's see what we get. Go this way. Actually, I'm sort of liking it. I think I am going to leave it just like this. I like it a lot, just the way it is. The most that I might do is just shoot a little black down in here, so we have more of that solid black down up in here. But right now, I think this is going to be a great background for my Batman logo, which is going to be black, and the actual Batman, probably just his head, you know, with his pointy ears. I haven't decided yet. For sure the logo, I'm just not sure about the rest. So this is just the beginning, and I will definitely complete it on video for you so you can see. I'm going to be making it, I'm going to use vinyl, I believe, and print it out on my Cricut and apply it, and then I'll resin it at the end. So I think what I'm going to do now is just take off my gloves, torch it one more time. Torch, where did you go? Here you are. Alright. Let's torch it one more time. There we go. Let's just do this. Oh yeah, I can see more little bubbles popping up. Alright. I think that is plenty good enough. I don't want to cook the painting. Alright, so I think that's it for now. And so this is basically part one. I'm going to call it the Christmas Batman thing.